Okay, you know, we've been working in crawl spaces for over 30 years and drying them out. People ask me, and I get emails, the controversy. Should you seal the vents or not? You see that? That vent is sealed. You notice they're all sealed through here. Should you encapsulate or should you just use the moisture barrier? Okay, so there's just moisture barrier down here. It works fine. The next biggest question is, what is the best, what would we recommend as a dehumidifier? Again, we don't sell dehumidifiers, but if I was going to recommend one, I would recommend this one. The Santa Fe Compact. The last time I remember checking on the price of those, they were about $800 to $900, and wow, do they work. Do they work? Wow. This crawl space is so dry that, I mean, I can feel it on my skin. It is so dry in here. And you can see it has a little bit of drippage here. That's quite old, but the real condensation line from that thing runs that direction and goes out. They're going to hook that thing up outside, as well as the condensation from the heat in the air right there, that white pipe. They'll hook all those things up outside as well, because it really gets wet. These things put out a lot of water when they kick on. But again, the Santa Fe Compact, really great dehumidifier. So we get a lot of questions and comments about crawl spaces and encapsulation, and also for dehumidifiers, or should you seal the vents? Should you have a closed system? We've been doing this 30 plus years, and encapsulation is great. It's something that I'm not a big believer in. We do encapsulate, but it's something I'm not a big believer in unless you have something that you want to create storage with. In this crawl space, for example, let's take a look at this. It's kind of dark in here, but you can see, nice, looking really good all around, no efflorescence, really dry crawl space. What's making it dry? If I can get you enough light to see it, let me open this door. Maybe you can see that. What makes this crawl space dry is not only the drainage, the footer tile that's been installed here, but also that we've sealed the vents. You see that? They're sealed. This keeps that moisture out. When you have a vent that's open, and or you have a fan on that vent trying to control your humidity, you're making it worse. And this is a great example of that. You can see they're all sealed all the way around. This is super dry here. I mean, just rock hard all the way around. This is a great crawl space, great job. And this all discharges out right over there, comes out. They're gonna hook all that up to the line as well. Beautiful. Is it encapsulated? No, and you can see there's no mold here. Insulation's not dropping. There is absolutely no sign of moisture here at all. So the combination of a good dehumidifier, this is a Santa Fe Compact. We don't sell these, and this guy ordered this online, and all you do is plug it in. It's not like anything major. You can see the light or the cord going over wherever it goes, right up here. It just plugs in. It's not like it's hardwired or anything like that. And the combination of the dehumidifier, a good footer tile drainage system, this one's gravity, there's no sump pump, it just runs right out through the wall. We call that a core. And then finally, to seal up those vents, there's no reason to encapsulate this at all. This is super dry and it works great.